Whether you're showing off your personality or simply using parking stickers, removing them can be a hassle to take off. Created to last as long as possible, the adhesive sticks perfectly to your car. We're making it simple. Here are a few tips and tricks to remove those pesky stickers. 1. Using heat. You'll want to grab a blow dryer and an extension cord and head outside. Once you've heated the sticker for about a minute, use a spatula or your finger to slowly peel the rest of the sticker away from the car. To remove the extra residue, use rubbing alcohol, and it'll rub right off. 2. GooGone. This is made to get rid of that sticky residue. Apply the goo to the sticker, wait for about 5 minutes, and peel the sticker away. 3. Ice can actually be used to remove your sticker. Just hold the ice to your sticker for a few moments. The only downside to this option is needing to remove the residue with a plastic card to avoid paint damage. If this doesn't work for you, you can use a dull blade to slowly peel the sticker away. 4. Rubbing alcohol. If you're looking for a fast way to remove the sticker, the only downside to this is having to use a razor blade. This can damage your paint or even your window. 5. White vinegar. Soak your sponge with white vinegar and hold it over the sticker until it's completely soaked. Go ahead and peel away. You can also use the vinegar to rub off the leftover residue. Don't have time or afraid of damaging your car? Give us a call or come on down to Toyota of North Charlotte.